Hey guys, it's Rahim. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, smash the subscribe button because I talk about property investment, personal development, and how to gain financial freedom. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to start your side hustle. Have you ever dreamt of starting your side hustle, but you really thought about, you don't know where to start or how to get on with it? Well, you are in the right place because today's video, I'm going to be walking you through the essential step to kickstart your side hustle. So grab your pen, paper, notepad, whatever you may have to take notes like crazy because it would blow your mind away. And side hustle has become a pivotal part for lots of people to gain financial freedom whilst doing what they like, or a way to actually start a side hustle to win them slowly to doing their side hustles as a proper business. But before we get going, what is side hustle? A side hustle is a venture one undertakes in addition to their full-time job to earn extra income. It is often driven by a person's interests, hobbies, or skills rather than merely making necessary additional income. So let's now look at what are the steps you need to take in order to start your side hustles to ensure it is beneficial to you and obviously it earns you that additional income. The first step is discovering your niche. You may be thinking, what is that niche? So look at what you're very good at, what you like. What is the thing that you could do happily without expecting any payment for it, right? What is that? Are you good with numbers? Are you good with advice? Are you inspirational? Can you teach someone what you're doing right now? Are you able to advise people in relationships, for example? Whatever your skills or hobby is, find out what that is. Now let's take to our first step. The first step, now once you find out what your skill is or what you're very good at, then the next thing you want to find out who your niche. What sort of niche, what sort of people would be interested in your advices or your services that you're looking to provide? Find out the people that may be interested in the services that you are about to render. Believe you me or not, there are so many people looking to do what you are about to do, because this is what I used to think about when I was an accountant. I'm thinking, who wants me to do their end accounts, or which sole trader would want me to do their books? But when I put myself out there, believe you me, there's so many taxi drivers, sole traders that wanted me to manage their books as a bookkeeper. So think about it. What skills you can do without even being paid for it and you're still happy to do it. And then look for the niche. And if the niche is there, the next step you want to do is your market research. Market research the market. Find out how much other people are charging for what you're about to charge. Work out who your target market may be. Are they sole traders that got one or two corner shops? Are they taxi drivers? Are they self-employed people? Are they online businesses that are sole traders or businesses even? So whatever your market research is gonna help you identify is what you want to get into. So once you know your market, find out what age are they people likely to be in, because once you've done that, that would help you create an avatar of the sort of people that you want to target. Because once you know who the people are, what their age is, what they do, and what sort of things that they're looking for, you're able to create an avatar. So once you create that avatar will be your target market, and you'll be able to drive your marketing strategies towards who you are targeting. So the third step is to have a business plan. You may be thinking, why do I need a business plan for a side hustle? So if you really want to take your side hustle to the next level, you have to have a vision. You have to become a visionary in order to see where that side hustle will take you to. Suppose you want that side hustle to eventually become a business, you have to think ahead of where you are right now. Maybe you want to do a business plan by saying, even if you're doing a side hustle, how many clients do you want to achieve for your first month, second month, third month, a year? And where do you see yourself in about 2 or 3 years from now? Are you going to start creating that to make it as a business? Whatever that may be for you, have your business plan, how much profit you would be making, what your expenses and what your net profit is. And then obviously, because the business may be growing, how much do you want to target in order to make enough passive income that will take you probably from making as a side hustle to actually being a business? So have that business plan, think ahead, think visionary, think being productive. Think about massive here. Think about a massive goal to get you to where you want to go. Now that takes us to the fourth step. The fourth step is legal consideration. Now you're talking about your business name here. You're talking about your brand. You're talking about your online presence. What are the requirements? What are the legal requirements do you have to meet? For example, you have to register your business. What are the requirements in order for you to be able to register the business? Even if it's a side hustle, you still want to register it, make it official, because if you can show additional income, it only makes your finances better. And obviously, it makes you committed as well. By registering the business, make you committed, knowing that this could be something that would really help. And the branding side of things, once you start doing your branding, do you want to kind of trademark it, or maybe do you want to register it in somehow so nobody would take that brand image from you? And how about your online presence? Do you need a website? Do you need to get someone to help you build a website? Do you need to get a solicitor involved to structure the contracts that you may be having with your client? Whatever that may be for you, write those down, because once you've written these things down, you'd have an action point, things to do in order to get that done. Suppose now you know your niche, you know what you're providing them, you've registered your business, you've got your brand, you've got your online process going. The next thing you want to do is to network like a mad dog. You need to go out networking to people, telling people, blowing your trumpet. Whatever they've asked, even if they don't ask you about business, tell them about what you do. Literally go to so many network events, business events, social media event, whatever event you can get your hand on. Go to those events, tell people about what you do, introduce yourself, tell them who you are, what you do, what your background is, and tell them about how you can benefit and what value you can add to them. Okay, don't just go, oh, I'm this, I'm that. Tell them what value you can add to them. Suppose you are a property investor, for example. My name is, you can say your name. Say, suppose your name is John. My name is John. I am a property investor who helps struggling landlords rent their properties. Suppose you are a marketing person. My name is John. I'm a marketing manager who helps sole traders have massive presence in the online market space. Whatever your identity is, whatever you're doing, make sure you kind of elaborate that by telling the people what you do, not your title. Very important. Nobody cares about your title, but people care about what you can do to help resolve their issue. That then takes us to the sixth step. Suppose now you've got the networking going and you've got numbers, you've got all these people, you've got all these contacts now. So what you now want to do basically is to launch your business to them by sending them emails, having meetings with them after those events, doing a marketing campaign that targeted specifically people like that. And guess what? You can also target lookalike people by having that specific audience with you to target them, to ensure that they know who you are, what you do, and how you can provide them with these services. Don't go and network with these people, only at the network even get those numbers and you never do anything again. Network with them. The next thing is to launch, let them know who you are, what you do, by sitting with them, inviting them for a cup of tea. Now Zoom makes it really easy. You can invite them for a Zoom call, find out what they're looking for, what their pinpoint is, and how you may be able to help them. And basically make sure you go all out to help them execute what they wanted to do. Guess what? Once you've helped them execute, they've got results. They will be the people that will blow in your trumpets. They will be the people that would advertise in your market. Have you ever been in a situation where product is so good, you have to tell your people about it? You have to tell your friends and families about it. That's what your product or your services needs to be like. You will provide it so much that you don't have to sell it anymore. People will go ahead and sell it on for you. So these are the sort of things that you need to look for when you are about to start your side hustle. So key points: get your niche, get your marketing going, get your legality going, have your business plan, be ready to network with lots of people, and launch your business. Make sure everybody knows. Anybody you meet along the way, tell them about you, do add value. And literally, if you have to provide free services at the beginning for people to know you, do that. Guess what? Imagine working full-time, having a side hustle and making about £1,000 or £2,000 a month. That's a massive way to have a job become an option rather than obligation. So start a side hustle that would help you generate additional income. Starting a side hustle can be an accelerating journey. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. With determination, the right strategy, the right people around you, having the right side hustle could be something absolutely amazing. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. And actually, you can even share this with any aspiring entrepreneurs. Until then, I look forward to sharing next video.